Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Devvon in raw form, and welcome to HMD Studios. So what makes our space different from everyone else's is because it's non-traditional. Basically, instead of having the typical kind of podcast space, for instance, where it's a bunch of foam around you and everyone's kind of bunched up on a table, we decided to go with a less traditional route of making it feel like a home. It's people sitting on couches, and that's what we've noticed with our clients that have been coming in here testing it out. Basically, they get super comfortable and the conversation just feels a lot more homier and more genuine.
It's super easy to book this space. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. You go on the website, you say, this is what I want, this is when I want it, this is what time, boom, done.
So the funny thing is we have a game room and people always ask us why we have one. Reason is because sometimes when you have clients or someone else is cutting a verse, maybe the other people in your party or your guests kind of want to space out, kind of get some air, kind of breathe. And so we put a game room.
You know, a lot of people are used to the bigger, more lavish, extravagant events. Times have definitely changed, you know, so we're catering to like a smaller event, you know, like a game night, date night, even like paint and sip, something light, you know what I mean?
So here we offer a ton of different services. Although you don't see it, this room and the room downstairs and just the whole place in general can be translated and transferred into a bunch of different types of things. We can do live interviews for my bloggers out there. We can do acoustic setups if you want to do something like a tiny desk. There's so many different things that you can do. It's literally up to your imagination what you want to do with us here.
www.thehmdstudio.com. It's easy.